What's up, gamers? Fellow Tugans, what's up? We are going to do another JoCademy video. This video is going to be about geometry stuff. Geometry stuff. This is requested by Collin. This guy is not Sigma. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. We got, what is this music, bro? Okay, we got like a shape that kind of go like, oh my, it's so bad. Tugan. Okay. Hold on. Maybe I'll look something like this. Yeah. And then there's like a little thingy over here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's like right here. And there's one that goes around here. Go around here. And then there was like something like this. Yeah, that's what it looks like, kinda. Let me just erase this a little bit. And that's like an angle, trust. Yeah, that's the angle right there. So, and then the angle here is boom, 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 and this is A, bomb, B, C, and this is 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, right angle. I should probably do this with red. Right angle. Okay, hold on. And these are all 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This little symbol. Okay. And this is M N O P let's see if there's any more missing. There's B, C. Oh, that's an E. My bad. What is this music though? F, D, H, J, I. This is what it kinda looks like. So let's start with this side. We know, so since these are all equal, and this is a 6-sided shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can try to assume what the angle is. Hold on. Okay, I am back. So the angle of a hexagon, they kind of look like this. This is a hexagon, right? The angles total up to 720 degrees, and so therefore, since there's 6 angles, 720 divided by 6 equals 120. And that means A, since this angle is A. A equals 120 degrees. And so let's go to this B right here. So B, since this line, B and A are one straight line supplementary, that means they're equal to 180. And since we know A is 120, B is equal to 180 minus 120. Oops, so B is 60. Just like that. Now, let me think about it. Alright, so since this also makes an angle like that, the same angle, that means that this angle should be also 60, so therefore C is 60. Because a triangle equals 180, and then this is 60, this is 60, that means this has to be 60 to make 180, okay? So now, for E, actually, let's not do E, let's do G. So G in here, this is a pentagon. Hold on, I need a pentagon. Pentagon. The sum of angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. So it's 540 divided by 5, which is 108 degrees. Right? Yeah, so G equal 108. 108 degrees. For the same reason we did over here, N and G supplementary, N equals 180 minus 108, and that's just equal, hold on, that's 72. And then we go, let's see, okay, so F, we can do F. So F over here, same reason for G and N. These, wait, actually, no, they're not straight angles, never mind, can't do that. What we can do is I now. So I is equal to, it's equal to 72 again. I over here, this angle right here, and this angle 180, so same reason. Okay. And also, wait, no. Okay, let's see. Okay, so to find D, we have D, nope, so this angle is C because of vertical angles theorem, which says that the cross angles in the X formation are equal. So this is C, and since this is D, this is a square. Okay, so C and D, nah. It's D plus Fortnite. Okay, I found out. D, if you remember what I said about this theorem, if you look closely at this, this also is an X. So basically, D is equal to E times 2. And we don't know what E is right now, do we? Let's see. Okay, so let's think about it. This angle is 90 degrees. So, and this angle here. Okay, so found D. I know what D is. So Since these two lines are parallel, indicated by the arrows, that means based on interior angle theorem, these two angles add up to 180, right? So that means we see C is 60, therefore D should be 120, right? So D is 120 because 60 minus 180, 120, and these yeah. And then so that means E, since we wrote D equals 2E and D is 120, equals 2E, 60 equals E. What is this? E equals 60. Please. Hold on. What does this add? Okay. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you might want to go back and learn your geometry angle rules. Okay. So now that we know D is 120, E is 60, we can find what F is. Since this is a 90 degree and this is 60, that means F and E, F and E have to add up to 90 because of right triangle angle theorem, whatever. So that means F equals 30. Okay. And so we got F, E, D. So we still need H, J, M, and O, P. Okay. Let's do H. So 2E plus H is right here. This makes 180. And E is 60, so 120 minus 80 equals 60, so H is 1. H equals 60 degrees again. And so I is 72, H is 60, that means J is equal to 180 minus H minus I. So that's 72 plus 60 minus 180. So that's 48. So J, oops, this song is so bad. 48. And so now we scroll back up. M right here is equal to J plus G plus M equals 180. So that means 48 plus 108. So that means M is 24. Okay. So now we have to do is O. O at this top. So O is just M plus N plus O equals 180. M and N or 72, 24. 24 minus 180. 72. And that's 84. O equals 84. Hold on. Okay. So now we have to do P. O and P are vertical angles, so therefore P is equal to O, and so it's 84 degrees. So that's all of them. A, B, C, D, F, J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and P, E, P, well, I don't even know. There you go. Okay, so that's first problem. There is more problems. Oh my god. Why am I playing this music? Okay, next problem. Something like this. And then there's a segmented part right here. This is L. This is S 20 T O 18 M 26. Now, for this one, it's all about ratios, okay? Getting ratioed. So, let's see here. This is kinda... Okay, I got it. So it says that MS, which is this part, this is MS, is a mid-segment of the base. So that means that this part is half of something, and the base would be here. If it's a mid-segment of something, that means the base is over here, and since it's the mid-segment, meaning half of it, this has to be 36 because it's 18 times 2. Okay. So now let's see. We have 36, so we have 36 over x, and this x, let's say, actually, who knows? Alright, so let's say x is equal to this part, and this part is 18 over 26, okay? Okay, I got it. So, oopsies. Alright, so over here, since x, this whole thing, because this is the whole thing here, x is actually this whole thing, and this whole thing to the ratio of this thing and this thing. So I have to do x plus 26 equals 18 over 26. You cross multiply, you do the math, is like 18 plus 18 times 26 is like, it's 468. 468. It's 18x equals, and 936. So 468 minus 936 is 468 equals 18x. 18 divided by this is 26. So, in fact, this mid-segment is actually 26, which is half of this. And to find this part is the same process, but instead of 26, it's 20. And just because we switched the numbers doesn't change the answer to the fact that x is always going to be equal to this side or this side. So it's 20 on this side. So therefore 36 plus 20 plus 20 plus 26 plus 26, the perimeter equals 36 plus 26 plus 26 plus 20 plus 20 is 128. Alright, there are like 5 more problems. Okay, find y and z, and here's the triangle. And these are segments. y is parallel with this one. 17, and these all have the same lengths. Boom. And these have the same length, and these are parallel to each other. Okay, so basically all we need to do is find ratios. So let's just say this entire line right here, this entire line is 3x. This entire line is 3 I don't know, g, because they're 3 segments. That's their total length. So individually they're g, 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 and x, x, x. So define the alright, let's find this part, okay? So if we want to find what y is, let's find the ratio between y and this part. This is x and this is x. So it'd be like y over x equals 17 over x. And it'd be like yx equals 17x. We can get rid of the x, just divide them. Divide the x's, and they're cancelled out. It says y equals 17. Or is it? Doesn't seem right. Hold on. Oh yeah, hold on, my bad. This is supposed to be x, 2x, because this is 2x. No, it's on this side. 17 times 2x, so that should be, so y is actually double of 17, so it's 34. You see why? Because this whole thing is 2 x's. So 17 times 2x, and the x's still cancel, so it's 34. And time for to get z. So now that we know y, I mean, we can use y or we can use 17. Doesn't matter. But z over 3x this time, because we're using the whole triangle, and it's equal to let's just do 17. 17 over x. The x cancels out, so it's z over 3 equals 17. 7. So 3 times 17. So that's 51 equals z. So there you go. Alright, there's 3 more problems. Okay, so the next problem is find the area of a parallelogram. This should be easy. So this is 7. I think this is at 13. If it's not 13, you can still do the math. Just copy what I'm doing. Okay, this is a right angle. So I can either show you an equation for parallelogram, or I can just, you know, like probably just show you a normal way on how to do this. So I'll probably show you how to get the formula. So this segment right here, this segment is 13. Also, this line I drew isn't in the it's not in the diagram, but let's just say it is for simplicity. This part is still 7 and this part is still 25 because they are symmetrical, which leaves us with this. And then let's see. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find what this side is and stuff. Yeah, so this is what we're supposed to do. So 25 squared plus set equals 7 squared plus x squared. These are both x. So that leaves us with 25 squared minus 7 squared square rooted. Okay. I can just do 25 minus 7. 25 plus 7 because the difference of squares. Square rooted. And that's 25 minus 7 is like 18 times 32. And you square root that. 576 square rooted is 24. Perfect square. So x equals 24. And so basically, we know that, hey, the area of a triangle is base times height. So 24 times 7 is 168. This is 168 inside. 168 here. And this one is 13 times the height for the square. So 13 times 24 was 312. And we get 168 plus 168, 312. So the area should be 480. But you see what we did here? We used the bases of triangles. So we used 2 x's times 7. Because look, so 2x plus 2x times 7 over 2 plus 2x. No, 2 times, oh man, it's x over 2, 7x over 2 plus 7x2 plus x times 13. And you see there's a little something here. This turns into 2, so that cancels out the 2. And these 7s join to make the same thing. Okay. Hold on, I need to see the image again. Yeah. So basically, this whole thing times this thing is equal to that. I think so. Okay, I got it now. So basically, when I got the area for this, I did a mistake. Okay. I actually was supposed to do something else. It was 13 times 24 here. I was never doing 13 times 24 was actually getting the whole area of this part. And then you add it to 168, so blah 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 blah. Just know that area of a parallelogram equals base times height, where the base is this whole side times this side. Okay, okay, okay. Next one. The next problem is a parallelogram. It looks like this one, and has 60 degrees in it. And since a quadrilateral adds up to 360, these are all 60 degrees. Okay. And this is 10. So now, The area of a rhombus is its diagonals. All of its diagonals, like that. This is the area of the diagonals length multiplied by each other. So to find the diagonals, the lengths, a little bit tricky. This is 10. So that means that this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. Let's see. So this is a right angle, right triangle, and using this hypotenuse, hold on. Do rhombus have equal? Rhombus, all sides of rhombus have equal sides, yes. So all we have to do is find the hypotenuse of 10. So the hypotenuse is x, and this one is x. Since these two are the same ones, and since the area of a rhombus is the side length, so it's probably like x squared. Area of a rhombus. It's both its diagonals. Okay. Yeah. So just find one of them. So it's 10 squared plus 10 squared equals the hypotenuse. So that's 100 plus 100, which is 200. So 200 squared is like 40,000. Right? Yeah, 40,000. That's just 40,000. Actually, I want to think it much better through. So, I don't think all of these angles are actually 60. But let's start with what we were initially given. Okay. We were initially given only the 60. I know that this is 90 degrees. And so therefore this has to be 30 degrees. I think I don't want to do all that work. And what the I don't know how a rhombus is. I was assuming that they were all equal, but I don't think about it. Who knows? I don't really want to do this. Wait, no. What am I doing? This is kind of, screen. Wait. 10, 60. Oh my god, I forgot everything. So, from this, I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even know. I wouldn't even know. This angle, actually, since the rhombus is parallel, this is 30 degrees because interior angle. And since that, wait. I don't even know no more. I think this has to be 60 degrees. Yeah. Oh my god. Did these even add up to? I don't even know anymore. I was going to. You know what? Just I don't even know why I'm recording this still. Yeah, I think I'm right. I'm right. And Ash dot. It's not 40,000. So, this is it. The angles of the thingies are here, and if I drew diagonals like this, I really don't even know anymore. I would be real with you, cause this is not even a right angle. Oh my god. Oh. So this is 30. This is 60. That means these are all right angles. These are right angles. These are right angles. So let's find the side of this. Actually, yeah. So this hypotenuse 10 to 10. These are 30. This is 60. Hypotenuse, so that means this has to be 5. This is 5. And that's 10. Square root. No, that's 5 square root 3. And that's 5 square root 3. How I know this? You don't need to know how I know this. Just know that a 30, 60, 90 right triangle is x. Wait. I forget. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh yeah. So I was right. So this is 2x, x, and x square root 3. And so like, since if this is 10, that means this has to be 5, and there's 5 square root 3. And so, so this is two, let me think about it. Alright, yeah. So, this is 10 square root 3 times 10. So this is 100 square root 3. A equals, the A equals 173.2. My bad, OG. Okay, last one. I think this is not good, JoCademy. No one's watching this right now. Square. Do a square. And there's a thingy at its middle. And it asks you to find the area with 10. So, since we know these are the same because they're a square, we can say 2x squared equals 10x squared. So it's 10, so it's 100 divided by 2 square root. That's 50 square root equals x, which are the sides. And since the sides area of a square is a equals x squared, it's just 50. A equals, oh my god, that was easier than that. Alright, bye, no more JoCademy. I think I'm drunk.